Hello and welcome to my channel. Glad you stopped in so that I can show you how to turn this chair into this chair. So here are some of the tools that you'll need. You'll need scissors, a staple gun, and a screwdriver, either four-way or flathead, depending on the screws that are in your chair. Let's turn the chair over to a secure surface and screw the cushion from the frame. Okay, now that the cushion has been removed from its frame, now we're going to apply the fabric of your choice. Okay, so now that we've got our fabric cut out, we're now going to staple the fabric to the cushion. What we're going to do in this particular case, I chose just to cover the existing cushion without taking anything off because there's nothing wrong with what I have now. I just decided to use a different color fabric. So if I decide to take it off and go back with the original, I left the original intact. So starting in the middle, we're going to use your staple gun and staple to make it really taut. And then you're going to pull the other side and staple, pulling it extremely taut. And then we're going to staple all the way around until we've got it all secure. As you can see, we've stapled the new fabric onto the cushion. This is the back of it. This is the front of it, and it's nice and taut. What you'll want to do, if you zero in closely, I made sure around the edges to really get some more staples in so to hold it pretty close. Okay, now we're going to screw the frame back onto the cushion. And there you have it, a brand new upscale look without breaking the bank. Now, if you enjoyed this inexpensive, easy, and classy decorating idea, then like, share, and subscribe so that you'll know when I have more of this coming. Thank you for your time. This is Laverne Fuller with The Fuller Effect. See you next time.